Yep. There was a swarm of bees roaming around our window a few minutes ago, and now they found a place to build their nest. I'm allergic to bees, so take my precautions, but it's pretty cool to see it. Still building it, but they've all settled down now on the hive. Don't know if you can hear, but there are some bees around me, and I'm pretty sure they're kind of nervous that I'm here. The thing is, their hive is here, and our house is right here, so we're gonna have to get along. Now, we're honestly quite happy there's a beehive. We see a lot of wasps, we don't see so many bees, and we'll make sure nothing bad happens to it.